Meron muna akong i-share sa inyo na short video. No, ito po yung video po ng ating CEO. No, kumbaga ito po ay parang bird's eye view on who and what this company is. Ayan. So let's watch first. No, laanan nyo po ito. Let's focus. Ayan. Pakinggan nyo po itong short video of our CEO, Ben Glinsky.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet and magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple. Timing. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive, people are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago. While companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the Powerline. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the power line above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the power line. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And If you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
All right, see you all at the top. So at least right now, you have an idea on who and what this company is. But right now, mas explain natin yung sinabi po ng ating CEO. Kaya don't tune out, tune in ka lang. Ayan. So, with that, welcome to this amazing company called Live Good. So, Live Good launched globally on December 13, 2022. No? So, as of now, na ginagawa ko po itong presentation, 3 years na po tayo. Yes, and guess what? We're still on the pioneering stage. And Live Good is a US-based direct sales company focused in the wellness and digital service industry. And ngayon, bigyan ko lang kayo ng reasons, no, why Live Good. Alam ko marami namang companies out there na pwede ninyong salihan, pwede ninyong gawin, no? Ngayon, I'll give you 6 muna as of now. So, number 1, we have these amazing products. Yes, no, when we say amazing, we mean it. When it comes to quality, potency, no, talagang we are transparent. Okay? And of course, all of our products are lab tested. Okay, so amazing po talaga, highest quality. Not just that, incredible yung prices. And I could say it na, in other terms po namin yan is, hindi lang incredible, wholesale po actually. No? It is because of the business model of the company. Ayan, kasi maraming mga products out there na maganda nga yung quality, pero ang mamahal naman, ang hirap i-maintain. No? But dito, amazing products na incredible prices pa. And 3 and 4, no auto shipping and monthly products to buy. It means na hindi ka po pipilitin ng company na bumili ng products every single month. You buy whenever and whatever you want. So, ibig sabihin, you have the freedom. And if ever bumili ka na ng products, we have this number 5, 90 days empty bottle money back guarantee. So, that means pag, for example, nagamit mo na yung products, hindi mo nagustuhan, talagang hindi maganda, no? But I believe, no, lahat ng products natin is, of course, maganda yan. No? But if ever man, no, pwede mong actually isauli yung lalagyan ng products and no questions asked, ibabalik po ng company sa'yo yung pera nyo. And actually, wala pong magawa nito. Why? Because sobrang ganda po ng products natin. No? Ayan, talagang, of course, potent. Okay? Magkakaroon talaga ng therapeutic effect po sa ating katawan. Alright? So, ganun po tayo ka-confident when it comes to quality ng products natin. And not just the quality, but of course the efficacy. And number 6, number 1, business to join. Ayan. So ngayon, bakit number 1? Ayan. So tingnan natin yung mga naging track record na. Actually, marami na po naging track record. But I'll give you some, no? Actually, naging triple A plus rank po tayo sa Business for Home noong 2024. So parang, kumbaga sa school pa, inawardan po tayo ng company as with highest honor. No? Ayan, not just that, okay, ang company din po natin is na-feature po sa DSN, Direct Selling News, na nakapag-celebrate po tayo ng 1 million members. And guess what? Ilang months lang po? Actually, 13 months lang. No? And in less than 3 years, guys, this is another good news. In less than 3 years, nakapag-payout lang naman po ang company. Tumataginting na 140 plus million US dollars. Grabe, no? Ganon po ka-generous yung company. No? Whereas sa ibang company, ano lang po yan nila, kumbaga target na sales or revenue. Sa atin, pinamigay po sa company. I mean not the company, sa mga affiliates. Okay, sorry. So, sa mga affiliates po. Okay? Ayan. And not just that, okay, yan, nag-top 1 lang naman po tayo. Ayan, top 1 sa momentum rank. Okay? So actually dati pa po ito, and as of now, part pa rin po tayo ng top 10 ng Momentum Rank. Okay, sa Business for Home. Okay? So ibig sabihin, ganun po siya ka pinagkaguluhan, pinagkakatiwalaan, and not just that, ganun ka-generous po yung company. Diba? Ayan. So ngayon, sino po yung behind? Okay, sa mga nandito, sa mga first timer, before joining a company, kailangan consider nyo po yung tinatawag na 3 Ps. Ano po yun? Company profile. Okay, sino yung nagmamayari? Company products and company pay plan. Ayan, paano ba tayo mag-benefit? Paano ba tayo, of course, mag-earn? Okay, so starting from, ayan, our corporate team. Ayan, dito po sa ating CEO, si Ben Glinsky. No? Yan, so proud po tayong i-share, no? Kasi ito po yung genius, masasabi ko pong genius na CEO, no, na meron na pong 20 plus years of experience in this kind of business. Ayan, so siya po yung utak po, no? And not just that, he's also an IT guy and very transparent, no? Very transparent po talaga siya, and every week maririnig po natin siya sa company or corporate call, no? And masasabi ko nga po na itong pagka-create po ng company with the business model, of course, sa simplicity po na paggagawa nito, very genius po talaga. Masasabi ko siya po yung parang Elon Musk ng direct selling industry eh. No? As in, grabe po talaga. Okay? So, yun, kung bakit din ganun yung naging track record is because of this awesome man and ating CEO Ben Glinsky. Okay, not just that, of course, ang ating Director of Field Development si Noder. Okay, so icon na po siya in this kind of business. Then he has over 30 plus years of experience, no? So both of them, they have 50 plus years na experience. So sa kanila pa lang po, no, sa business side, confident tayo, no, na magiging long term po ito kasi nga veteran na po yung ating mga owners. Ayan, so hindi po tayo pagpapraktisan lang. Ayan, no? Okay, so ito naman po ang in charge sa mga products natin ang mag-partner na si Dr. Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, ang ating Director of Product Development and Product Education. So hindi rin po basta-basta kasi meron po silang mga degree, no? When it comes to, of course, pharmacy, ayan, and background din of being natural health practitioner and pharmacist, ayan, and sila po yung in charge sa pagpo-formulate po ng products po talaga natin. They make sure na quality, maganda, and potent, no? Yung mga products natin. Once na mag-take ka ng products natin, hindi pa po mauubos yung lalagyan. I mean, yung laman ng products, I mean, no? Ng each of the products natin, magkakaroon ka po ng magandang effect sa health mo. Ayan. Okay? So, yan po. Ito po yung ating corporate team. Okay? And yan, ano ba yung goal natin? Very simple lang po. To help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. And to help people earn easier and faster than any other company in the industry. And ito naman po yung mga products natin. Actually, we have over 40 plus na mga products. No? Lahat po yan is made in the USA, certified by the GMP and USDA, and lab tested for purity and potency. And of course, we are legit company. Registered po tayo sa Florida, USA. And ito po naman yung ating mga certifications na nagpapatunay na organic, quality, wala pong mga nahalong mga kung ano-ano na pwedeng makasama sa katawan natin yung mga products natin. So, hindi ko na po maisa-isa yan lahat. Okay, basta quality po yung products natin in organic. Yan. And of course, iba-iba naman po yung pangangailangan natin. Kaya ang company continues to provide, no, or formulate, create products, no, when it comes to men's health, nutrition, women's health, skincare, body cleansing, etc. Okay, and dito, how can we order, no? Actually, dalawa yung pwedeng mag-order dito. You can order as a consumer or member. Pag consumer ka, you pay retail low prices. And lalo na pag nag-member, much lower yung prices na ma-avail mo. And ito naman po yung ating comparison ng ating mga products. As I've said, sinabi ko kanina, no, na yung products natin ay quality. Hindi lang quality, wholesale yung prices. In fact, you can save up to 75% compared to products in other companies. Yes po. Yan, we have here multivitamins, coffee, magnesium, D3 keto, CBD oil, and for pets and of course for humans as well, no? So hindi ko ma-explain lahat dito, guys, yung ano po no, yung informations about our products. But if you want to learn more about this one, you can just go to our website, www.livegood.com. So, nandun po lahat, even the certificate of analysis, nandun din po. Okay? So, yan po, no? And alam niyo po ba, ito, comparison lang po natin. Ayan. Alam niyo po ba, ito, of course, the quality maganda, tama. But, how about the pricing? Ayan. Okay? Actually, di ba sinasabi, pag quality, dapat mahal. Well, actually, old school na po yun. No? Kasi pwede pa lang highest quality but low price or wholesale price. Wholesale price, guys. Sample na lang po natin, essential oil. Alam niyo po ba, nung pag-launch po ng essential oil, hindi po yan yung price. Dati, it's 49.95 but right now, 29.95 USD na lang. Sa ibang company, same no, anim na essential oil, ano yung magkano? 209 to 252. Ganun po ka expensive. Ito, Super Greens. Nako, meron po ngayon controversy. Ano kung kilala niyo po si Brian Johnson. Ayan, inatake niya po yung isang company. Ayan, na meron silang product. Yung familiar kayo na AG1. Okay, na hindi raw maganda, mahal daw to ganyan. Okay, may mga sinabi siya dun eh. Ayan. So, grabe po. Even here in the Philippines, no, maraming company, no, yung flagship nila is Barley, 'di ba? O, 'di ba, Barley, ang dami niyan, no? Sa ibang company, alam mo yung magkano binebenta nila? Oh, 70 to 100 USD. Siguro mga around 3,600 to around 6,000 na. Good for 30 days, guys. Good for 30 days. Alam mo sa atin magkano lang? 18. Okay, actually hindi ko na po medyo na-update to. Medyo tumaas po yung ano natin, no. Yung price natin. Pero konti lang, I think $1 lang eh. $1 lang, no? Grabe, ganun ka affordable. Siguro kung isasama natin shipping fee, no? Siguro around mga 2,000 pesos. 2,000 pesos, no? Oh, gano'n kaganda, quality at affordable. Okay, tapos ito, take note guys, hindi lang po yung barley ang meron dyan sa greens natin. Okay, marami po. Meron tayong moringa, dito nga po actually, yung katabi ko. Ayan, meron tayo ditong alfalfa, wheatgrass, spirulina, agave, apple cider vinegar, coconut water. Kaya ang sarap dito guys. No? Ayan, barley grass, oat grass, chlorella, ang dami. Di ko na may isa-isa, guys. Ayan. Okay, so, ayan po, no? And of course, our black seed oil. In other companies, binibenta nila around 48 plus USD. Sa atin, for 14.95. The remedy for everything but death. Ang dami pong na itutulong yan sa health po natin. No? Ito naman, collagen. Sa iba, binibenta around 70 to 70 plus USD. Sa atin, magkano lang 27.95. Okay? Grabe, no? So, bakit? Di ba, ngayon, mapapa-question ka, paano kumikita yung company? Bakit nagawa nila? Highest quality, ha? Magandang quality, superb, premium quality, pero bakit, wholesale? Ayan. Okay, papunta tayo doon. Don't worry. Okay, so, ito yung mas na-appreciate ko rin and na-believe din ako. No, kasi nung time na-discover ko to, mga 2 months or 4 months pa lang yung company. No? Ayan. So, nagulat ako kasi sabi, available to in over 200 plus actually, to be exact guys, so 220 countries and territories. Yes po. So, what does it mean? Iba't ibang bansa, okay, literally, hindi lang mga Pilipino kasi sinabing worldwide, mga Pilipino lang din yung member eh. Okay, wala tayong pinapatamaan na. Okay, so ito talaga literally worldwide. Iba't ibang lahi. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kahit anong country, no, magagawa natin itong business, makukuha natin yung products natin once na mag-order tayo, and matatanggap natin yung ating payout. Kumbaga, ito ay parang advanced technology na supposedly makikreate pa lang 50 years from now. Pero na-create na po nung 2022. Ang pangalan po, Live Good. Grabe, no? Ayan, so ito po yung mga ibang mga partners natin worldwide, yung mga affiliates po natin from US, Vietnam, South Africa, Thailand, Italy, China, India, South Korea, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Australia, New Zealand, ayan, o saan pa sa Europe. Ang dami guys, hindi ko na maisa-isa. Of course, here in the Philippines, no? Literally, no, hindi lang mga Pilipino yung gumagawa nito. Iba't ibang lahi. Global po talaga. Kaya yung kumbaga yung potential, unlimited po talaga eh. Unlimited yung potential ng company. Ayan. And ngayon, dito na tayo sa business model. Paano nagawa ng company na highest quality pero sobrang affordable ng mga products? Ito na po yung sagot, the business model. And I know marami na sa inyo is actually meron na nito secretly. Hindi mo lang alam. Pero meron ka na nito. Alam niyo po ba that this is a blue ocean industry? Ayan. Ano po yon? Subscription. Yan. O, simplihan lang natin. Ano ba tong subscription na to? It is a business model where people pay regularly, okay, either monthly or yearly, para ano, ma-access products, services, or benefits. O, ano itong mga sample natin? O, ito, familiar po tayo. Yan, Amazon Prime, Netflix, Sam's Club, Disney Plus, Costco, Rocket Car Wash. Anong common sa kanila? The people pay monthly or yearly to enjoy the benefits that they offer. It's either discount, unlimited movies, unlimited car wash, free shipping, etc. Right? Nai-gets nyo po ba? O, ito, para mas maintindihan nyo. Ayan po. O, nagbabayad po ba ng kuryente, ng tubig? O, naghuhulog po ba SSS, GSIS? Nagpapaload po ba? Ayan, parang naging type of subscription na rin po siya kasi may mga benefits tayong na kukuha from them. Tama? Oh, ngayon, so let's dive deep no about this industry. Okay? So ito, alam niyo po ba? Ayan, ito S&R Landers ano to parang Costco ng Pilipinas. Ayan, people pay yearly to enjoy the discounts na ino-offer nila. 'Di ba? But ito pa hindi alam ng karamihan. Alam niyo po ba? There are about 303 million subscribers na po yung Netflix. 303 million, guys. Revenue nila last 2025, 45.2 billion. Net profit, 10.43. So of course, hindi yan po sa may-ari na pupunta. Let's say kahit 10% na lang po napunta sa may-ari. That's 1 billion pa rin. So imagine nyo gaano kayaman yung may-ari ng company or the company. Grabe. Ito pa, Costco, 145 million members. 5.3 billion in revenue sa membership fees alone last 2025. Di ba? So, ang yayaman po ng mga companies na yan. Though these companies offer amazing products and services, they don't have what Live Good does. Ano po yun? Memberships that pays. Ayan. So, ngayon, okay, let's try to compare, no, Live Good versus other companies. So, no doubt, syempre, may magandang products din sila, no? Walang question yan. And at the same time, services. Same goes here in our company here in Live Good. Kaso nga lang, walang income. Ayan. So, ito yung lamang po natin. Why? Here in this company, you can be consumer, member, affiliate, part owner, or even shareholder. Yes po. You heard that right. Para kang co-owner. Paano? Ayan. So, doon na tayo papunta sa exciting part. So, tayin ko muna kayo. Would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? Ayan, so dito gusto kumita ng dollars, pa-type ako ng dollars. Ang hindi mag-type, hindi kikita ng dollars. And speaking of earnings, ayan, congratulations sa mga affiliates natin because today is Thursday and of course, commission day, weekly payday. O, di ba? Ayan, okay, dami. Thank you so much. No? So for those interested in earning with Live Good, stay for the second part of the presentation. So ngayon, paano ba maging part ng company, maging affiliate member to enjoy the benefits, no? Ayan. So, ngayon, mag-enroll lang po tayo. Okay, magsusubscribe. Like any other subscription businesses or companies, meron tayong two options din. Number one na option natin is monthly. No? Meron tayong one-time affiliate fee na $40 and monthly membership fee na $995. Yan. So, sa first month natin, yung babayaran natin po is around 3,000 pesos. Tapos, monthly, isa-subscribe natin is 600 pesos. Ayan. Pero, gusto nyo po ba ng libre? Ayan, pakitype dyan, free. Ayan, type free. Ayan. Kung gusto nyo ng libre, I highly suggest, no, we encourage, ayan, ayan, piliin nyo po yung option number 2, which is ang yearly. Ayan, sa term po namin, OPM, 1-year premium membership. Okay, same goes, no? Meron tayong affiliate fee na $40 and yearly membership fee na 99.95. So, total po niyan is around 8,400 pesos. And ang good news, as I've said, pag pinili nyo po itong yearly, meron kayong savings sa $20 or 2 months. Kasi guys, instead na 12 months yung babayaran mo, 10 months na lang. Kasi yung 2 months, binigay na po ng company sa'yo ng libre. Di ba? Ganon siya kaganda. Okay? Ayan, so ano naman yung benefits? Yan, pag naging affiliate member na po tayo, you can access to membership club, lahat po ng products natin or soon kung magkaroon mo po ng services, ma-access natin ng highest quality at lowest prices possible. And of course, digital marketing products, lahat ng ano natin, system tools na po-provide ng company, ma-access po natin yan. And ito matindi bakit? We have here, hindi lang isa, hindi dalawa, hindi rin tatlo, kundi siyam. 9 replicated websites. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Nag-provide yung company ng website na pwede nating gamitin. Matindi bakit? Since replicated, may pangalan nyo po sa taas na it's like your own website na parang ikaw gumawa. But hindi po ikaw gumawa ang company. Okay? Pinagamit lang po sa inyo, sa atin. Okay, ayan. And of course, free online training via Zoom. And we also have lifetime support and you can save up to 75% our products compared to other companies and 9 ways to earn. Ayan. So, and here are some of the sample po ng ating mga uh, website po natin, replicated websites. We have company site, Powerline landing pages. We have English and Spanish, retail site, dalawang product site, free detox, Live Good Clinic, and health assessment websites. O, di ba? Alam niyo po ba, nagtanong po ako sa kilala ko na IT. Ayan. Friend ko lang sa Facebook, no, kung magkano magpagawa ng website. Ano magkano? 35,000 daw. Isang website pa lang, guys. Ngayon, compute nyo, 35,000 times 9. Oh. So, dito pa lang, value for money na po talaga. Okay? Ayan. So, ngayon, syempre dito na tayo sa exciting part. How do we make money in Live Good and enjoy all its benefits? Ayan. Papunta na tayo sa mas exciting part. Ayan, the compensation plan of the company. Ayan. So, we have a structure, no? Dalawang structure lang. No? Unilevel and a forced matrix. Ayan. So, ngayon, anong connect nito? Okay? So, we have 9 ways to earn, guys, here. No? So, we have retail commissions, customer acquisition bonuses, and earn free products, influencer bonuses, fast start matrix, matching, diamond, and crown diamond bonus pool. Okay, yan po yung ways to earn po natin. But hindi ko po discuss lahat, no? Mga pinaka-importante lang. Yan, to save time. So, number 1 is retail commissions. So, we have 2 ways to earn here. Shop link or physical products. Ayan. So, for example po, no, is that nakabenta po tayo ng products to our site. No? So, for example, itong ating greens and reds, ayan, remember price is $18. Retail price is 24 USD. So, difference is $6. Pag nakabenta ka po niyan, kikita ka po ng $6. Ayan, ganun lang po. Okay? Ayan, tapos ngayon, pag nakabenta ka naman, for example, ng package or pack, ayan, for example, ito International Wellness Pack, you can earn up to 30 USD. Ayan. Okay, tapos, next naman natin is our fast start bonus. Ayan, so, ngayon, pagka meron pong nag-member, hindi pa affiliate member lang, yung 600, kasi pwede po yun eh. Pag meron nag-member, nagbayad lang ng 600, you can earn magkano? $5 or 300 pesos. Ayan, o, di ba? So, maraming nagbayad ng 600, na-enroll mo ng 600, meron kang maraming $5. O, di ba? Pwede na rin, di ba? Tigti 300 pesos. Okay? And ngayon, pag naging affiliate naman sila, okay, naging affiliate member, okay, yung 3,000 pesos yung binayad. Okay? So, ngayon, ang makukuha mo naman is $25. That's around 1,500. Okay? So, let's say, for example, meron kang na-refer this week kasi weekly to binibigay. With this week, meron kang na-refer na 5. No? So, yung 5 na yan, in the following week, babayan ka po ng company ng $25. Ayan. Okay, ganun lang po siya kasimple. O, di ba? Ang bilis mag-ROI, dalawa lang tao lang eh. ROI ka na. No? Ayan. And alam nyo po ba, ayan, dito po pwede kang kumita ng up to 7 figures in US dollar, guys. Hindi po peso. O kaya na mag-compute in peso about dyan. No? By doing our what we call power of 5. Okay? Mag-refer ka ng 5, tapos yung 5 mo, tulungan natin makapag-refer din ng 5, and so on, up to level 10. Okay? And this part alone, alam niyo po ba, the company pays out up to 80%, guys. 80% of the fast start bonus. Ganun po, ka-generous ang company. But, don't worry, kaya hindi po malulugi yung company. Kahit anong compute nyo, guys, hindi po talaga malulugi because of the business model, no? And how our comp plan was designed, no? Profitable po talaga both the affiliates and the company, no? Grabe, 6 million, no? Siguro kahit 10 years 'yan, $6 million, naku, grabe, ang laki pa rin 'yan. Okay? And ano niyo po ba, dito pa lang, sa first way of earning pa lang, you can earn up to 7 figures. Unang kitaan pa lang, saan ka makakita? Unang kitaan pa lang. Bakit? Ito po, top 10 po natin. Oh, magkano kinita? 961,000 in pesos. Meron po 1.2, 1.4, 1.6, 2.1, 3.7 million. Imagine niyo po, no? Yung 3,000 or 8.4, alam mo yun na, enrollment na subscription, di ba? Affiliate membership fee. Di ba? Umabot po ng ganung halaga. Grabe, di ba? Pwede, pwedeng pwede. Okay? And of course, ito daanan ko lang din kasi meron tayong of course rank qualifications. Ayan, so we have bronze rank, at least dalawa yung na-refer mo dito and or na-enroll, at least up to 5,000 yung kumbaga yung average na kinikita ng bronze. And yung silver naman is 20 total team. Up to 16.8 naman yung average na kinikita. And gold naman is 100 total team minimum, up to 200 plus thousand yung kinikita ng gold. And of course, platinum, 500 total team, up to 400 plus thousand kinikita ng platinum. And diamond naman, up to 2,500 na total team, up to 2.2 M po kinikita ng diamond. Hindi lang po maingay. And crown diamond, matindi, 50,000 total team, up to 4.4 M naman ang kinikita po ng crown diamond. Grabe, average po yan, okay? And pwede pa po yung tumaas depending on the size of the team. Okay? Grabe, no? And ito naman yung matrix bonus natin. You can earn 0.25 cents or 14 pesos pag nagsusubscribe na sila. Okay? Kasi dito, ilalagay po tayo sa isang matrix. Okay? Ayan, na ganito po yung itsura. Ikaw yan. Okay, yung dalawang na-refer mo, let's say, no? Ayan, ilalagay po sila sa unang level mo. Dalawa lang. Ikaw, dalawa sila. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and so on. Na pag nagsusubscribe na yan, in the following month, okay, tapos in the another month na naman, yan, bibigyan ka po ng 14 pesos. Di ba? Para makita mo, or marinig mo na parang ang liit, no? 14 pesos. So, ang term po namin actually nito, other term namin is retirement. Retirement money. Kasi, long term mo siyang mas ma-appreciate. No? Long term po talaga siya. Okay? Ayan. And ngayon, pag dumami kasi yan, no? Ayan. For example, yung 2x12 natin, napuno po siya. Ayan. 256. Oh, sa 8 level, oh, 0.25 cents, pwede kang kumita ng $64. And pag napuno po yung structure mo, let's say, 8,192 people under you, you can earn up to 2,000 plus US dollar. Ayan. Di ba? Ganun po siya. Okay? Tapos, ito yung mas exciting, guys. Dito ako na mind blown or sa term namin, na baliw. No? Kasi, ngayon na po ako nakarinig, nakakita, you can earn 50% from your direct matrix pay. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? Di ba, nag-build tayo ng subscriber. Pag meron kang natulungan na makapag-build ng mga subscribers din, you can earn 50% from their matrix. So, paano ba yan? Okay? Yan, explain din natin yan kasi ito din is generational. So, that means na hindi lang po sa mga personal enrollees mo, kundi sa entire team mo, kikita ka. Okay? For example po, yan. Yan, yan, na-refer niyo po si Mateo. Yan, natulungan yung nakapag-build ng team po. Okay? Of subscriber, di ba yung 600 a month? Nakapag-build siya ng marami. Ngayon, kumita siya ng 10K. Magkano sa'yo? 5K. Yan, gano'n lang po. Tulungan lang po natin yung mga enrollees natin na makapag-create ng subscribers in their team. Si Marie, 5K kinita, sa'yo 2.5. Lucy, 15K, sa'yo, magkano? 7.5. Arthur, 1K, sa'yo 500. Robert, 20K, sa'yo 10,000. In short, the more directs you have, the more you earn 50% from your matching bonus. Diyan pa lang, 25K plus na. And matindi, bakit? Di ka pipigilan ng company. Infinite wide. Unlimited. Pwede? Pwedeng pwede. Pwedeng pwede. Diba? And ito po sample po, no? Okay? So, yan po. Kinuha po natin yung screenshot to kasi bago lang po nag-diamond itong ating ayan, personal na enroll po dito. Ayan, si Coach siya. Ayan, ayan. So, dito hindi po mamatter sino una. Sino po magbibigay po talaga ng effort. So, na po mag-diamond rank, ayan si Coach Ryan. Ano po ba that time? Kumita po siya ng 55K. Magkano po yung sa akin dyan? 50% po. Legit. 27,000. Okay? Yung mama ko, kasi siya po yung unang na-refer ko, na-enroll ko dito. Di bale, yung ibang leaders ko, nalagay po under sa kanya. O magkano po yung kinita niya? 37K. O sa akin, magkano? 18,000. Si Coach Jana, 18K pinita niya, magkano sa akin? 9K. Ito matindi, bakit? Generational, guys. Ibig sabihin, again, hindi lang po sa refer mo. Refer, kumbaga sa entire team mo. Hmm. Refer po yung kapatid ko, itong si David, enrollee po siya ng mama ko. Okay, yung mama ko ano po siya, enrollee. So ngayon, basically, second level ko po siya, technically speaking. So ngayon, hindi pa ako, supposedly wala akong kita dyan, but since ang complan po natin generational, meron pa po akong additional 10%, 5%. Extra 4,000, 2,000, 2,000. Ito matindi guys, bakit? Ang dami po niyan. Meron pang $20, 10, 15, 5, meron pang 1, meron pang 0.25, meron pang 0.14, 0.3. Ang dami guys. Actually, umabot po siya ng 6 figures. Ganun po ka-powerful itong match pay po. In fact po, no, actually, kinompute ko po yung entire earnings ko in my, dito po, sa Live Good, since nag-start ako, 52%. Okay? 52%. Yung tawag pagkakalala ko, 52% po ng earnings ko nanggagaling dito. Okay? Grabe po. Ganun po ka, powerful nito and generous. Ah, ayan. So, ngayon, ito, we encourage no, pag napag-start ka, dami mo at least two of your family. Kasi in the future, pag napagtulungan nyo na po yung matrix nyo, both of your family, you can earn. Sa matching mo rin sa kanila, you can earn combined sa income, you can earn 500,000 in pesos. And every single month yan. Month after month after month. Kahit pa actually umabot ng 5, 10, or even 15 years, sulit pa rin yan eh. Kasi bakit iba nga 40 years na. Hindi naman kumita ng ganung halaga eh. 'Di ba? Ayan. Okay? O, ito pa. No? Pag nakapag-refer ka ng at least 20, no, darating yung time, pag natulungan mo rin sila na force mapuno din yung matrix nila, you can earn up to 20K in US dollar. That's 1.1 M. 1.1 M. No? Pwede or pwedeng pwede? Pwedeng pwede. Okay? And ito po yung sample earnings natin ng mga Live Good affiliates natin. Yung gold affiliates natin, kumita po siya ng 17K that time. And yung platinum po siya, kumita po siya ng 200,000. Oh, pwede na, 'di ba? Oh. Okay? Ayan. So ito naman po, Diamond Bonus Pool. Ayan. Dito na po yung tinatawag natin na co-owner ka. Parang co-owner. Kasi 2% of total sales, i-divide po sa lahat ng diamonds. Ayan. So total monthly sales po na 50M times 2%, that's 1 million US dollar. Example natin, no? Ayan, divide, let's say merong 200 diamonds, lahat ng diamonds maghahati-hati ng 5,000 US dollar. Pwede na, di ba? Ayan. Okay, so sample earnings po natin. Okay, diamond. So, kagaya yung sabi ko sa inyo, nauna po mag-diamond yung enrollee ko. Yan si Coach Ryan. Okay, so hiningi po natin to. Okay, na sample earnings niya nung nag-diamond siya. Alam niyo po ba, in 3 months time, in 3 months time, kumita po siya, tumataginting na almost 7 figures in pesos. 3 months time, guys. Yan po yung potential, yung power po nito. Grabe, 'di ba? Walang pinipili basta tatrabahuin mo, magkakaroon din ng resulta nga ganun. Pero hindi pa natatapos diyan, meron pa. No, hindi pa nakontento yung company, nagbigay pa po Crown Diamond. Kung kanina 2%, ngayon naman 0.5. Okay, so ganung sample din no, 50M, sabihin natin naging sales ng company times 0.5%. So lahat po ng diamond kikita po ng I mean di kikita, maghahati-hati, no? Sorry. Maghahati-hati ng 250,000 divide 3 crown diamonds. That's 83,000 US dollar. So ito po yung sample earnings po ng Crown Diamond. Ayan, si Tim Miller, siya po yung pinakaunang Crown Diamond natin. Ayan, nasa US and matindi. Naka-wheelchair. Naka-wheelchair po siya. In 13 months time, you wouldn't believe this, 13 months time, kumita po siya ng 1 million US dollar. In fact, sa isang buwan po, no, meron sa isang buwan, kumita po siya ng 4.4 M in pesos. Okay, kasama po yung matrix. Yung pinakamalaki po actually yung matching po talaga. Matching bonus. Grabe, di ba? Okay. So ito po yung mga sample ng mga kumita po. Ayan, sa ating team, community, and of course, the entire company worldwide. Of course, kasama na rin po tayo dito. And right now, okay, nasa 2.1 billion members and affiliates na po tayo worldwide. Indeed, the fastest growing subscription affiliate-based company in the industry this 2026. Ayan. And take note, nasa tip of the iceberg pa lang po yan. Okay, in fact, the first 5 million, okay, tip of the iceberg pa lang po yan. No? And ang vision po ng company is magkakaroon ng 20, even 30, even 100 million subscribers in the next 10 to 20 years. No? Oh, and projection natin will have 3 million subscribers before matapos ang 2026. Okay, hopefully, ayan, kasama ka dun. Okay, kasi we believe that we will be the next Amazon. Yes po, we will be the next Amazon. Okay, but ang maganda bakit? Ayan, yung mga bumibili or nagiging affiliates, let's say, no? Okay, nagbe-benefit po talaga. Even the customer, no? Okay, so, and guys, hopefully, na syempre nakita, naintindihan nyo rin. Okay, so, what I'm trying to say is, wag yung i-miss ito, no? Kasi para po itong train eh. Yan ba yung train dadaan? Whether sumakay ka o hindi, bubukas yan, di ba? Tapos magsasara. Okay, kahit so, sumakay ka o hindi, tapos aandar ulit. So, ito, hindi po ito ordinaryong train lang. This is a bullet train, no? You may call it parang Shinkansen or Shanghai Maglev. 'Di ba? Ang bilis nito, guys. Mabilis 'to, 'di ba? Ngayon 2.1 pa lang. Pag pikit mo, pag delete mo ulit 2.5 na, 3M na, 4, 5, 10, 20 million na. Madami nang kumikita, nababago yung buhay, nagiging healthy, kumikita ng maganda. Ang tanong, ikaw, kumusta? Oh. Okay? So, I'm not trying to say, I'm not saying this one, no, para i-convince ka kasi at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin mag-convince sarili mo. What I'm saying is, ayan, intindihin kasi pag naintindihan mo talaga, truly, no, naintindihan mo, if you see it, you can't unsee it. Ika nga pa ng ating CEO. Okay? Ayan. So, hopefully, syempre, maging part ka ng aming community, part ng movement, no? And of course, ikaw rin yung mag-benefit sa meron dito. Okay? So here are the top 5 reasons why you should join. Other reasons, no? We just officially launched globally. So again, nasa pioneering stage pa lang po tayo. And high quality and very affordable health products, no? You name it. Okay? So highest quality po talaga. And marketing system, tools, and training. Okay? So lahat po, no? Lahat po ng meron po yung company. Okay? Pinoprovide po talaga. Okay? Nakakailanganin. Right? And simple, powerful, and lucrative, and very generous na pay plan. Talaga, no? Kala mo ba na 80% pinamigay? Up to 80%. Okay? And of course, successful, fun, and winning team. Okay? So, ang tanong, are you A, B, or C? Do you want to become an affiliate member, a member, or retail customer? So, if I were you, become an affiliate member. Okay? So before we end, no, I'll leave you with this one verse. Sabi dito, for I know the plans I have for you. Yung sabi ni Lord, plans to prosper you, not to harm you, plans to give you hope in the future. Guys, if you truly believe that God has a great plan in your life and nagpe-pray ka ng isang opportunity, maybe, just maybe, ito na po yun. Ang gagawin mo na lang sa take action. Kasi nga, kasabihan, faith without work is dead. Kung naniniwala ka but you don't take action, it's useless. It's dead. Kaya you have to take action. Kaya naman, get back with the person that invited you and let them know if you're an A, B, or C. Okay, so with that, thank you so much. God bless, and see you all at the top.